Commercial lease review importance. Even though most commercial lease agreements are viewed as standardized and with very little flexibility for change from the landlord, it is nevertheless important that commercial tenants have some degree of legal review of their commercial lease agreements in advance of signing them. Given the recurring monthly expenditure that is being committed to the commercial lease, with base rent and additional rent being legally mandated for the duration of the lease term, whether that is a typical 5 years or 10 years, there are serious financial consequences if the commercial lease agreement isn't properly reviewed by experienced legal counsel. Because once you have committed to the commercial lease agreement and signed off on it, together with all too often providing a personal guarantee or indemnity, it is often too late to seek changes or corrections several years later. And allowing those inaccuracies or discrepancies to have remained in the commercial lease agreement can be extremely costly on a number of fronts. And if the lease agreement is correctly drafted, then the peace of mind received from the lawyer's review can be equally significant. Thus, it is hard to go wrong when you seek out the legal services of an experienced lawyer knowledgeable in representing business tenants with their commercial lease arrangements, be it simply to review the commercial lease agreement or to advise as to how one might get the most out of their lease negotiations so as not to give up advantageous lease elements or attain concessions from the landlord that might be available to the commercial tenant. With over 25 years of commercial lease review experience, we understand what to be looking for in a commercial lease agreement and what is intended by the cryptic legal writings that seems to go on forever in these exceedingly lengthy agreements and appended schedules. This allows your business to attain solid legal advice, which is cost-effective as it draws upon a wealth of knowledge from having read and reviewed far too many commercial lease agreements and having provided legal advice thereon. For businesses looking for experienced legal review and analysis of commercial lease agreements, together with other corporate commercial legal matters, contact our law firm to put such legal knowledge to work for your business. Thank you.